Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. Now you can see this ash color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 466. As a continuous follower of our presentation, you know that we were targeting this 455.6 very clearly, and also we know that copper was consolidating in and around this zone. We are trying to pick this zone in order to make use or to identify the trend. We had two options like what we did earlier. If the price is staying above 456 and if the price is trading below 455.5. Now you can see, let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, straight away the price tried to test the high that was created on the previous day. Again there was a failure like what happened on the previous day. The price could not sustain or move above this 467. So the price came down. Again it tried to clear 467, but again there was a failure. Then you can see it is like a copy of what happened on the previous day, that was on 7th of December. Then the price came down. You can see it came down till 464.5 and there was a very long consolidation. Then there was a bounce back, and our charting tool accurately it was also targeting this particular zone. It's providing alternate buy and sell signal in and around this 465.6 zone, and after that it could not sustain. Then the price straight away it came down and closed near 463.5. so now let us see the open high low close analysis. So yesterday's price opening, when we compare with the previous day, it is going to be bit lower when we compare with the previous day, and the price could not create a new high compared to the previous day, but marginally we can accept more or less it is equal. It had created a new low, and the price closing, yesterday's price closing is lower compared to the previous day and also lower compared to the previous day's price closing. So on seeing the price pattern, entire price action, so what we learned is that after creating a high, you could see that consistently copper market was creating, there is a decrease in the high, and you can see the low is also increasing. Finally the price closing was near the yesterday's low. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves. If you remember this 462, we had made it very clear 462 is a very important zone. If you remember that, let us refresh our charting tool. What you are seeing is the price action that happened on 13th of December last year, previous year, and you just follow this 462 price zone. So whenever I place the cursor, you can see the date and time below. On December 13th, the price took 462 as a resistance. December 16, and this entire 17 and 18 entire week, the price considered this 462 as one of the major resistance zone. So if I only after breaking this 462 on 24th of December, the market regained momentum and it went up till 474 zone. So just I want to refresh your mind what is the importance of 462. Now coming back to the price action, what happened in yesterday's market, on seeing the COMEX price direction, we could predict that today we can expect copper market to open somewhere near 464. We are not taking the rupee dollar factor into account. That has also got some influence in deciding the price opening. Since we are posting this video presentation earlier, we could not take that into account. So today is again going to be a very close and important day for copper traders. Even though everything shows negative for buying and it favors selling, we should be very careful in targeting this 465.5 and 462. As I told you earlier, you cannot take this 462 easily. In order for the copper market to continue the downtrend, what it should do is that today it should again take resistance around 465.5, and we need a closing below or near 462 to to confirm the downtrend. What we had earlier in the yesterday's price action is that it gives us a lot of indication, a bit of confirmation. We will get a clear confirmation only if it clears these two zones, and if the price is closing below 462, it can pull lot of sellers into action and the trend will continue in the downside again for buyers, because still we are not out of the danger. If the price is taking support around 462 and if it is going to close somewhere above 465.5, surely it can induce buying. So be very careful while trading in copper market. This is a crucial zone. If you can put lot of effort into this zone, surely this area is going to be the most profitable area in trading copper. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.